guys, welcome to another day. It's Sunday. The live stream yesterday went incredibly. So I ended up getting in probably around 2:30 in the morning. And of course, we're starting up today's class again. So I'm gonna head over to the workshop, this time by bike. We gave a lot of these away. This time by bike, and we're gonna have another good day. We're gonna bring you along with us. So on yesterday's live stream, oh my goodness, my voice. On yesterday's live stream, we made a heart hook. Very exciting, huge amount of viewers, enormous amount of shares. If you tuned in, thank you so much for watching. Okay, so got about 45 minutes or so before my student arrives. I'm gonna crack on finishing some of the tools we started yesterday, just throwing some handles on them, doing a little bit of final polishing and stuff like that. Then when he arrives, we're gonna get cracking and make some more fun stuff. Okay, so we got the forge lit, waiting for Steve to get back from finding some breakfast. My voice hurts so much. Also, you know, I've been I've been talking about more lights in here. I just got a couple of these to see how they are. And look at all that light. It's pretty yellow, but I'll be able to adjust the white balance to accommodate for that. So of course you can imagine with 6 or 8 of these, I can't remember how many more I ordered, there's gonna be a whole lot more light here in the workshop. Gonna throw them up here. I'm so sorry that I haven't been able to bring you along much further along into the afternoon. We just got really caught up doing some great things, having some great conversations. These private classes are so much fun. Like, there is almost nothing I enjoy doing more in my business, in my career, than doing these private classes, group classes, teaching people. It's just so exciting. I have a huge amount of fun, and it's wonderful making these connections. Let's go ahead and have a look at everything we've done, shall we? Right. How are they coming along, Steve?
Looking good.
Good. You can hear my voice is getting a little bit better right now. Okay, you ready? He's adorned the leg vise with hand-forged tools. The leg vise is there because, you know, I took pity on him.
Thanks, mate.
He said he didn't have one. This is actually a French one that came from the town of Château-Chinon in France. 4.5-inch leg vise. Pretty typical kind of French style. And it doesn't have the mounting bracket, but yeah, he's taking that home. Look at that sweet hammer. Oh, you did a great job directing these. Yeah, it's been an incredible pleasure. Awesome.
It's been great.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
I'm tired. Was that fun? That's been great. Final thoughts, final words.
Absolutely brilliant. Loved every minute of it. I want to come back again.
Well, you'll be coming back again.
Hopefully.
Either as a friend or whatever you want,
Yeah.
man. No, it's been a huge amount of fun.
It's good.
It's just, like, it's so enjoyable. Okay, we have another thing to mention, right? How long have you been forging?
Like properly, probably a month or so.
Okay. When your internet is back up, he's agreed now, guys. When his internet is back up, he's gonna make a YouTube channel. I will plug it happily. I'm gonna be thrilled. And I'm gonna watch every single video. He's gonna do 2 videos a week, okay? And he's gonna be sharing the journey of becoming a blacksmith.
Yeah.
And he's gonna get in the workshop as much as possible. And it's gonna be great. You guys are gonna see the YouTube link. You know, once it's up, I'll see if I can come back to this video and put it in the description. I mean, how long do you reckon that'll take from now?
Probably a few weeks, like maybe 2-3 weeks.
Nice.
We're good.
2 videos a week?
Fingers crossed, yeah.
Okay, great. We'll do a collaboration, man.
Awesome.
It's been great.
And you, mate.
Tomorrow, teaching a sledgehammer making class, which is gonna be exciting. So a little more kind of power hammer work, stuff like that. Get that done. We'll provide you some more fun stuff. Hopefully my voice is gonna be a little better. Have a great day, guys. It's been a pleasure. Bye-bye. Bye. Hey guys, it's Alec. Thank you so much for having a look at this video. I want to let you guys know I do a whole lot more videos pretty regularly too. You can go ahead and check out the last video by clicking right here. You can have a look at my tools right there. And if you want to come learn blacksmithing online and you can't come take a private or group class, go ahead and click right here to go to beginblacksmithing.com. I want to also let you know that you can follow me on social media and see all this stuff behind the scenes. You can go to Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. But guys, I've got to go ahead and get back to work. So I'm going to go ahead and light the forge, and I'm going to make some more videos for you guys. See you in a little bit.